434 centimeters in feet? First of all, we need to know the value of 1 centimeter in feet. It's always 1 centimeter equals 0.03280839895 feet. Now we have to multiply 0.03280839895 by 434. Therefore, 434 centimeters times 0.03280839895 feet equals 14.2388451443 feet. So, in other words, 434 centimeters equals 14.2388451443 feet. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.